Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study nursing in the USA. First, begin by thoroughly researching accredited nursing programs across the country. You'll need to meet specific academic prerequisites, typically including strong grades in science and mathematics. For international students, demonstrating English proficiency through exams like TOEFL or IELTS is often a crucial step. Finally, meticulously gather all required application documents, such as official transcripts, letters of recommendation, and a compelling personal essay. This foundational preparation is key to a successful application. Once you've completed the initial steps, it's time to choose your educational pathway. You can pursue an associate degree in nursing, or ADN, which typically takes about 2 years to complete. Alternatively, a Bachelor of Science in Nursing, or BSN, is a 4-year degree offering broader career opportunities. For those seeking advanced roles, Master of Science in Nursing, or MSN, and Doctor of Nursing Practice, or DNP, programs are available. Always ensure your chosen program is approved by the relevant state board of nursing. After successfully completing your nursing education, the next critical step is obtaining your nursing license. You must graduate from an approved program and then apply for licensure with the State Board of Nursing where you intend to practice. The most significant hurdle is passing the National Council Licensure Examination for Registered Nurses, or NCLEX-RN. This comprehensive exam can have anywhere from 75 to 145 questions, assessing your readiness for entry-level nursing practice. Thorough preparation is essential for success. With your license in hand, a world of nursing opportunities awaits. You can explore diverse specialties, from pediatrics and critical care to public health and mental health. For those seeking greater autonomy, advanced practice roles like nurse practitioner or nurse anesthetist are excellent options. Remember, continuing education is vital to maintain your licensure and stay current with best practices. Nursing is a highly rewarding profession with strong job growth projections, offering a fulfilling and impactful career path.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.